A tree is much more than a piece of wood. It is a living being with a life of its own, deeply connected to its environment and neighbors. Peter Wohleben's The Hidden Life of Trees reveals that what appears as a quiet collection of plants is actually a complex, living community full of communication, cooperation, and surprising intelligence. Tom, who works in a conservation project, experiences this truth every day. From early morning walks to monitoring tree health, he observes the forest with curiosity and care. He spends time listening and noting subtle changes. In the forest, trees are far from solitary. They communicate through underground fungal networks, sending nutrients and warning signals to neighbors. Tom observes how older trees support younger saplings, sharing resources so that the forest thrives as a whole. This cooperation is essential. Survival depends not only on individual strength, but on the collective well-being of the forest. Tom even notices how neighboring trees recognize each other over distances and adjust growth to optimize sunlight and nutrient use. Seasonal changes reveal more hidden dynamics. Trees adapt to shifts in weather, store water during droughts, and adjust growth patterns in response to stress. Wohlleben writes that trees are capable of memory, remembering stress and adjusting their strategies for the future. Every day, Tom is amazed by small details. A leaf that changes color unusually early, a sapling bending subtly toward a larger tree, or the way mushrooms spring up where roots interact. These tiny signals tell him stories about the forest's health and hidden intelligence. Observation also uncovers emotional life. Trees react to injuries, and some species release chemical signals to warn neighbors of danger. Tom sees that the forest's life is a continuous flow of signals and responses. Protecting every part of the forest is crucial. Every fallen leaf carries meaning and affects the forest network. Tom often reflects on how humans could learn from this interconnectedness, realizing that communities thrive when support, awareness, and shared resources are prioritized. Wohlleben emphasizes time and patience. Forests operate on scales far beyond human perception. Growth, decay, and renewal take years, decades, even centuries. True conservation means thinking long-term, valuing relationships, and respecting the unseen connections beneath the forest floor. The Hidden Life of Trees invites readers to rethink their understanding of nature. Trees are not static objects, but dynamic, social beings. By seeing the forest through this lens, Tom deepens his appreciation, guides his conservation efforts more wisely, and inspires others to protect the living network that sustains life.